Hi there everyone, and welcome to the weekend. To all 737 subscribers and family members, thank you so much for being here. And a big welcome to the latest subscriber to the family, Sink. Welcome. I hope that you enjoy what you find here. Please feel free to leave comments if you would like. I promise I will answer them all, as I answer everyone else. It's a very cold and grey day here again today in West Yorkshire. And can I do another taste test? We're going to try today, it's another pizza. And this one is Trattoria Alfredo, a long matured dough. La Pinsa Ndjua, as it's pronounced, with spicy Ndjua style pepperoni sausage and mozzarella with a crispy crust. And there it is. I hope the camera gets it all in. This is to be cooked in the oven at 200 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Is a pre-baked dough topped with spicy Ndjua style pork pepperoni sausage, mozzarella soft cheese, garlic sprouts and extra virgin olive oil. The ingredients are wheat and water, 10% spicy Ndjua style pork pepperoni sausage, pork salt, pork fat, spices, acid, glucono, delta, lactone, antioxidant, sodium ascorbate, extract of rosemary, guar gum, spice extracts, 10% mozzarella cheese, rice flour, tomato puree, 3%, virgin olive oil, 2.5%, garlic sprouts, marinated grilled red pepper, broad bean flour, rye, garlic, dextrose, herbs and sunflower oil. Your allergy warnings for this one are milk, wheat and rye, and it could contain cereals containing gluten, and it also may contain celery. There's 400 grams here, £2.49 from Lidl. And there it is after it's been in the oven. That is the spicy Ndjua La Pinsa pizza. So, what does it taste like? There you go. There you can see the Ndjua pork salami. There's the base. So we'll give it a go. It has got a very crispy base, as it says. And that Ndjua has got a lovely heat to it. You can taste the tomato coming through nicely, you can taste the mozzarella. All in all, it's a really nice pizza. This Ndjua spicy pepperoni is just absolutely amazing. It really is. It's a very, very tasty pizza. This is possibly one of the best, most authentic pizzas that I've had. £2.49. And when you consider the prices of some of the pizzas out there, they're absolutely ridiculous. And this is as near to authentic as you're likely to get. Wonderful. Everything about this is perfect. It's a taste sensation in the mouth, it really is. If my dear brother, Chef Mozarella, is watching this, I recommend this one, I really do. He's a bellissimo fratello. Wonderful. I honestly cannot believe the quality. It's amazing. Anyway, that's enough of me going on. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, everyone, please hit the like button. Feel free to leave a comment in the box below. I'd love to know if you've tried any of these range of pizzas. I know I'll be certainly trying more. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads. And above all, if you haven't subscribed to the channel so far, please consider doing so. It will cost you absolutely nothing. It will help the channel grow and will become part of the bigger community. And thank you all that have subscribed already. Truthfully, it means so much. And at that point I will say to you all, Namaste. And may your God go with you. And there it is, a final shot of that one, folks. Absolutely amazing. Bye for now, everyone.